Tesla, the world's EV. Abraham back with another video. Sorry it took a little minute, about a few weeks. I was out in the Philippines. That's a whole nother video. But today we're going to talk about a random accessory that I stumbled across. Let's jump in. Now, obviously, for the Tesla Model Y 2026 that I have, Juniper, whatever whatever you guys want to call it, I stumbled across a random, interesting accessory that I had never really seen and never really heard anybody talking about, which is a grill mesh guard. Huh? Huh? Oh wow! What's a grill mesh guard? What does that even do? Well, that's what I was wondering when I first seen it. Now, have you guys ever wondered under your bumper, if you have a Tesla Model Y or a Tesla Model 3, have you ever wondered those huge slits? What's obviously your guard under your bumper? I just said that. You ever wonder what's being sucked into that? Like the roaches, the mosquitoes, the bugs that you hit on the road or the freeway, the debris, the leaves, if you're in one of those states. Have you guys ever wondered what's being sucked into that? Have you ever wondered how can you actually prolong your filters that inside of the Tesla? Well, there is a answer, and teststudios.com has it. You should go check them out. Now, without breaking your wallet, let me jump in because they have a grill mesh guard that just snaps right on. It took me 5 minutes to install this thing, guys. I can barely change a tire. So if I can do it, you can do it. So anyways, I stumbled across a random ad on Instagram, which happened to be Test Studio, and I noticed this grill mesh guard, which I've always wondered, what can I do to prevent things going into the? Because that is those are huge slits, and I can only imagine what's being sucked into there, right? So when I seen this, I was like, wow, I really need one of those. Ironically, they ended up reaching out. Awesome. Thank you, Test Studio. Now, anyways, this thing is grade A quality and it prevents all of that. So it prolongs your filters. It stops everything. Road debris, leaves, bugs, mosquitoes, gnats, well, I don't think you'd suck up ants, but whatever. It blocks and stops all of that, which is awesome, and which I've always wondered about an accessory like that, because I can only imagine with those huge slits what's getting in there, right? And also double whammy, right? You're also prolonging your air filters, which already lasts you a year to 2 years, right? So without breaking your wallet, you're getting grade A quality, right? Teststudio.com. And not only that, you can also help your wallet a second time because you can get 25% off if you use code Tesla Worlds EV. So go check Test Studio out, teststudio.com, and use that code to get 25% off. Get that grill mesh guard because I'm telling you, it is a game changer and it lasts forever, right? But not just that, it's very, very easy to maintain. You can actually snap what covers your grill. You can snap those off and you can clean them off. So it's always going to look clean as long as you clean it, right? But who doesn't clean their Teslas? If you don't, then me and you should have a conversation. By the way, let me know down in the comments, how often do you guys get car washes? Because I'm at least once a week. But anyways, go check them out. They have all sorts of different accessories. But this one was random and it was very interesting, and I've never seen no one talk about it, or I've never seen really much videos, which I'm pretty sure you can find, but I never really heard of it. There isn't many people talking about it. Now I know it may seem simple, but I'm pretty sure it is very effective. So, once again, teststudio.com. If you use code Tesla Worlds EV, you can get 25% off. Not 20, not 10, not 15, 25. So you're going to preserve your filters, stop bugs, leaves, ants, road debris, all sorts of stuff. I said ants from getting into your filters and inside of your car. Also, you're going to be doing it at a very affordable price. So go check them out, man. This is Tesla, the World EV. If you are interested in Tesla, check my channel out. Subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. I'm tired of saying that. I'm outros.